Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email campaigns with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Mailchimp and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section in the top menu. Click on the Create Campaign button located in the upper right corner. Choose email from the list of campaign types. Select Automated from the options provided. Give your campaign a name for easy identification. Click Begin to start setting up your automation. Select the audience you want to send this campaign to. Click Add Trigger to set the conditions for your automated emails. Configure the options to specify when the email should be sent. Now, click Design Email to customize your email content. Choose a template that matches your brand style. Edit the subject line, preview text, and email content to engage your audience effectively. Use the drag and drop editor to add images, text blocks, or buttons. After designing, click Save and return to workflow. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on Start Sending to activate your automated email campaign. Monitor the performance of your emails in the Reports section. Adjust your campaign as needed based on the audience engagement and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.